Good morning from the gorge. And it's hike time. Yeah.
Hike time, another hike in the gorge.
You know what that means?
Know what that means, people.
Lots of people. Lots of kids.
People.
Lots of dogs.
People, more people.
But we're out.
New hike. We are at Hamilton Mountain, which is close to Beacon Rock on the Washington side of the gorge. Yeah, we're gonna explore this and
there's a
check it out.
5-mile trek in and out and back.
Yeah.
And then an 8-mile loop. But there's
rain's coming in, so I think we'll just do the 5 today. So.
All right, let's do this. Oh yeah, and 2,000 foot elevation gain.
Yeah.
In about 2.5 miles.
Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. And drink every time we see a dog. Right? Ooh, this place is sick.
So badass.
Yeah. Update. We're about 1.3 miles in and 600 feet. It's freaking
1,500 feet to go. Ouch.
Freaking beautiful out here.
Yeah, it is.
A million people, but
awesome waterfalls. Oh my gosh.
yeah.
Oh, gorgeous.
I'm gonna have to slow that down for you. So 1.9
5 to go.
something, less than that, to the top of the mountain. Let's go.
Go.
Oh, what was that way? I think that way.
We're getting it.
Hey, 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 hey. Hi. Wow. Switchbacks are insane.
Switchback.
Buddy. Wow. Update. 2.3 in. 1330 feet. Definitely got a lot more rockier, a lot more switchback straight up. A lot less people, so it's going.
And it's a little colder up here.
Yeah, you can definitely tell the storm is coming in, so we got to get after it. We got to push ourselves a little bit more, but hey, that means we can have a couple more extra beers after. So let's go. Let's go. High five.
Low five.
Low five. Whatever. Let's get up the damn mountain. Wow. That is.
Oh, that's the Bonneville Dam.
Yeah. Bonneville Dam right there. Wow.
Take all the dam pictures.
Okay. Here. So close. So close. Made it. Made it. Yeah, we're not going that way. All right. Had a good lunch at the top, and now headed back down.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. It's cold.
Storm's coming in. It's getting cold. Ooh. Okay, back to it. We are done. Done, baby.
Woohoo!
Yeah, not bad. We did 6.6 miles and
4.5 hours.
4.5 hours and
21:78.
something like that.
Yeah, that's good.
Nice. Kicks your butt.
Yeah, it was cold up at the top.
Yeah, but
It was really
new
good.
hike, and it was awesome. And
Yeah.
better way to spend your Saturday, right?
Right?
Good job.
Good job.
So, all right, let's go do that one thing that we always do after
beers?
hikes. What do we do after hikes?
Beers. 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 Beers.
Yes! All right. All right. And, oh yeah, and thanks for joining us on our
PNW Adventures.
Boom.
Deuces.
Bye.
My name's Ani. I'm your damn tour. Take all the damn pictures you want. The dam's right damn there. Got it?
Something tells me those aren't in working order. Yeah.
What the hell is this? Oh my god! It's gonna crush all frickin'. Oh god! Oh,
Big stepping.
oh, I gotta tear my wiener. It's gonna tear. 40 life, baby. You don't got a wiener to tear.
That would have it.
Come on. Come here, Hans. Hans Gruber.
Hold on.
Wrong hand. Jeez. What are you, left-handed? Freaking backwards, people.
No, I'm right-handed.
Okay. Yeah, he is.